Auburn traffic experimental 20 Mike Zulu departing runway 36 will depart the traffic pattern on runway heading Auburn.
Auburn traffic scout 236 Tango Hotel, extended left downwind, turning extended left base, runway 36 Auburn.
Climbing away from Auburn Airport now at about 500 foot per minute. And over there you have the Kia car plant, huge car plant. And over there we have LaGrange Airport. I used to rent airplanes out of LaGrange from Air Ventures before I got my own airplane. Now over there is West Point Lake. Look at that. Look at those low clouds over the lake. There's Auburn Airport over there, Auburn University Regional Airport. That's my home base. Now over there, you've got Tuskegee Airport. And the Tuskegee Airmen Museum is actually located on that airport. Now over the left wing, you've got Sharp Field. This is where we do a lot of our flight testing. It's actually pretty historic. This was a training base for the Tuskegee Airmen during World War II. Now it's an abandoned airfield. At one point in time, there used to be multiple runways, but Mother Nature has consumed all of them except the one that you see over there. And so we sometimes use that runway for our flight testing. We also use this area that you see in front of the runway, closer to the airplane. Depending on the kind of flight testing we're doing, we choose either that area or the runway. And so this is a great facility for us that allows us to do our flight testing in a very convenient manner. It's only about 30 minutes from Auburn University. We're lucky to have this site at our disposal. Our university's design, build, fly student team, for which I'm the faculty advisor, they come out to flight test their airplanes over here. They kind of create a mock-up of the competition course over this runway. And the university's Formula SAE team also comes out, tests their Formula SAE car design. Let's do a little wing over. Auburn traffic, experimental 20, Mike Zulu, midfield, left downwind, runway 18, full stop Auburn. Auburn traffic, experimental 20, Mike Zulu, turning left base, runway 18, full stop Auburn. Auburn traffic, experimental 20, Mike Zulu, turning final, runway 18, full stop Auburn. Auburn traffic, experimental 20, Mike Zulu, short final, runway 18, full stop Auburn. Touchdown, hold the nose wheel off.
Auburn traffic, Headmount 340 out in the farm, turning left base, runway 18 Auburn.
Decel. We're going for taxiway Charlie 2. There are two birds sitting right on the stripe.
Auburn traffic, Headmount 340 out in the farm, turning final, runway 18, full stop Auburn.
Auburn traffic, experimental 20, Mike Zulu is clear, runway 18 at Charlie, Auburn.